Spider-Man. Our story begins with Peter Parker, a smart and kind teenager who just happens to get bitten by a radioactive spider. And guess what? He develops super cool spider powers. From climbing walls to swinging between skyscrapers, Peter becomes the amazing Spider-Man. Spider-Man loves his city, and he's always there to help people in need. Whether it's stopping a runaway train, rescuing a kitty from a tree, or just lending a hand to someone in trouble, Spider-Man truly is the hero next door. Spider-Man has some amazing friends, like Mary Jane and Aunt May, who support him in his heroic endeavors. But watch out for those villains like the Green Goblin, Doc Ock, and Venom. They keep Spider-Man on his toes with their tricky schemes. What makes Spider-Man extra special? His spidey sense. It's like a superhero sixth sense that helps him dodge danger and stay one step ahead of the bad guys. It's like having a real-life superpower radar. Don't forget Spider-Man's iconic red and blue costume. It's not just for looking cool. It's packed with all sorts of gadgets and gizmos to help him fight crime and save the day. Spider-Man isn't just a hero in one universe. There are different versions of Spider-Man from various dimensions. From Miles Morales to Spider-Gwen, each one brings their unique style and skills to the Spider-Verse. Spider-Man loves teaming up with other superheroes like Iron Man, Captain America, and even the Hulk. When these mighty heroes join forces, you know there's going to be some epic superhero action. So, grab your web shooters and get ready for a web-slinging, crime-fighting, and heartwarming adventure with Spider-Man, the friendly neighborhood hero we all love. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome superhero fun. Thanks for swinging by, little heroes.